Happy Friday, everyone. We are going to be analyzing this property. Your local buyer's agent, Arnab Nandi. It's 4 Clapham Street, Stanhope Gardens. Sold very recently, which was last week, last Saturday for 1751. And we were one of the bidders out of maybe 10 plus bidders here. Now, what was special about this property? And I must tell you that this is quite a high price for this particular property. Based on our estimates, it's somewhere, 75 to 100K um, over the fair value of the property. But I think that's not what we are talking about. I think the important part is when we sell a property, do we want such surprise, good surprise things to happen to us? And for that, what we should be doing when we are buying now. Okay, definitely. I'm not saying that we overpay for it, but have those elements in your property that is more desirable for people, where people, um, go over their limits, go over the right value of the property, and pay for it. Let's quickly look at this house. It's in original condition. You can see, the kitchen is also in the same state. You'll have a good outdoor area. If I look at the floor plan, everything was pretty good in terms of the house area. Multiple living areas, good, decent sized bedrooms. But most of the land has been utilized by this house. So if I have to pick up a few things, a very small backyard and a few other things, which I would say are minor. And considering people's needs these days, they're after a bigger house, smaller land to manage. So coming back to the point, yes, you should be buying something which is an investment grade asset or a property, and that means that the location parameters, which plays the biggest role, um, and it's not just the suburb, So yeah, suburb has to be good, but within the suburb where it is located, how far is it from the transport? What schools or school catchment it is, and then definitely how well the house has been kept. So all those factors were pretty high on this property. And when you go to buy properties, because someday you want to sell it and you want to sell it at a higher price. And when I say that, you'll be surprised if you have such a property and when you sell that, and you gain, let's say, 50 to 100K more than where your expectations were. I think you just hit the jackpot. So hopefully, do your research and buy great properties. I wouldn't say overpay for it. No, don't overpay for it. But if you pay a little bit more for such a house, I think it's still a good deal. When in doubt, you can always reach out to a professional like myself, but you need to be sure that the person knows the local areas very very well before they help you buy.